IoT has never been more flexible. With Ionite, you are not bound to anything or anybody. We are committed to providing you the best solution for your business. To us, this means that we need to adjust to you and your requirements, not you to our solution. Ionite is cloud provider agnostic. It runs on any public or private cloud, or even on-premise. The choice is yours. Maybe you already have a provider that you would like to stick with. But if you need help in choosing which one to go for, our team will find the right fit for you. You can easily configure your own dashboard with just a few clicks. Choose your graph, integrate your measurements, all as you like. Every organization and every user is different. So for us it is important that you, as the user, can easily configure your dashboards according to your needs and wishes. You want your clients to have their own dashboards, view their own data, and know they are only visible to themselves, not to other clients? Of course, Ionite has multi-client capability, is device provider independent, and offers secure device communication based on state-of-the-art encryption. Ionite is a managed service, no upfront investment, just a monthly fee. Want to know more? Visit ionite-solution.com or email us, info@ionite-solution.com. Our experts are happy to answer all of your questions.